Hi everyone, welcome to Kapil Stack Byte. In today's video, we will learn how to use network days formula in Excel. First of all, we need to understand where we can use this network days formula. So wherever we wanted to find out total number of working days between two dates, we can use network days formula. So let's see. We'll just type network days. Now, first of all, you need to select start date, which is in our case is 1st of October, then comma. Then we have to select end date, which is 29th of October, bracket close. So as you can see, our total number of working days came as 20 between these two dates. So this formula automatically excludes Saturdays and Sundays. Now, suppose we have two more public holidays between these two dates, and we wanted to exclude those also from this total count. So after the end date, again we have to add some formula which is comma. Then we have to give the range of those dates. So we have to simply write those dates like I have wrote here 26th of October and 25th of October, and I have to give the range for those dates. So what will happen? It have excluded these two dates out of the total calculation. So earlier it was 20, and now after excluding these two dates, it became 18. That's it for this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.